everyone. I am in Cadiz, south coast, Andalusian coast of Spain, and it's really gorgeous here. Walking out to this, it looks like a lookout tower, I suppose, maybe used by the Navy, it looks like. I'm not quite sure what this is, but it looks pretty interesting. Very windy day here, beautiful day. It's nice to be by the ocean. It is now the evening in Cadiz, and I'm sitting here having a beer by the Cadiz Cathedral, which is a beautiful cathedral. I went inside it yesterday, and I'm not really one for churches, nor am I really religious, but it's just an incredible work of art inside this church. And then I climbed the tower afterwards, as some of you might have saw in the my Instagram stories. Yeah, just a beautiful view from there. So here's the cathedral. The sun's gonna set soon, so probably in about half hour, 45 minutes. So I'm gonna have some food here and then head out and watch the sunset. Yeah, I stayed in Sevilla quite a bit longer than intended, because I ran into some trouble there. So probably more than a week longer than I intended to stay there. And not a bad place to be stuck in under normal circumstances. It's an amazing city. It really is an amazing place. But I lost my credit card, or it was stolen. I'm not sure which, but regardless, I had to have it canceled, and then no losses there. My card was not compromised. I just canceled it and I got an emergency card, but I had to wait 5 days for that. And then after that, I started having some health issues, and so I had to go to the hospital. It's all good now, but yeah, I had an experience with the medical system here, and I gotta tell you, it's pretty good. It's a lot better than Canada's, at least BC's and Quebec's, which is in my opinion is horrible. I mean, I was in emergency, and I only had to wait like 15 minutes, and then I got some medications from the doctor, and they cost me next to nothing, and I was paying 100%. If you're a local, you're paying like 11% of that, so they're practically paying nothing for medication. So anyways, I just I wanted to give everybody an update, and we'll go watch sunset in a bit. We're gonna go watch the sunset now. So the week that extra week I had to spend in Sevilla wasn't a total loss. I took a couple of flamenco lessons, one with this guitarist at the music academy there, and then I met a bass player at a gypsy jazz gig, upright bass player, and he had this really incredible style and technique, percussive techniques that he used with the gypsy jazz style, and he also incorporated some flamenco techniques and motifs and rhythms, and so I thought his style was amazing and really interesting, and so I asked if I could have a lesson with him. So I ended up getting a lesson with him at his house, and I filmed it all, and there's a lot there that he gave me to absorb. So it's really great. It was the best bass lesson I've ever had. And I'll do another video on that, more music related video on that at a later date. So shout out to Rafa, great bass player in Sevilla. Muchas gracias, Rafa. Okay, we're gonna head out the ocean here, check out the sunset.